What's up everyone? Welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to block numbers on the iPhone. I'm also going to be showing you how to unblock numbers on the iPhone, and as always, if you're looking for more great tutorial videos on the iPhone 12, there's a link in the description to the full playlist so you can learn more. Let's get started. So we've got the iPhone 12 Pro here. We're going to start with how to block numbers on the iPhone 12 Pro, and we'll move on to unblocking and settings shortly after. So the first thing we want to do is open up our phone application. Now I've blurred out the phone numbers here, but on the left side you'll see all of the numbers that have contacted you, and you should see on the right side here little eyes, and we're under the recent tab here. So what we want to do is just find the phone number that we want to block. In our situation here, it's this one here. And once you've located it, you want to tap the little I beside the number. It's going to open up what looks like a contact page. You've got the phone number up top and some other options down here. The one we're focused in on is block this caller, so we'll tap that. And the prompt says you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on the block list. So we're going to tap block contact. Now to see the phone numbers you've placed in your block list, we're going to open our settings application. We're going to scroll down to where we see the phone options here. We'll open that up. Scroll down towards the bottom and you'll see blocked contacts. We'll open that option. And this is where you're going to see all of the phone numbers, contacts, messages, or people that you have blocked on this device. Now you can always add a new one right here. So if you know a number, you want to add it, you can tap add new. It's going to open up your contact list here, and you can select one from the contact. So if you have a contact that's been bugging you a little bit, you can just go through your contact list, just simply tap on them, and they're now added to the blocked contacts list. Now if you want to unblock any contacts, you can do that right from this page as well. In this case, what we want to do is tap the edit option at the top right. You'll see a whole bunch of little minus signs with the red circle, and all you want to do is tap on that. You'll see unblock appears. We'll tap unblock, and now that contact is no longer blocked. We'll tap done. We'll go back to the main page, and now there's an option here that says silent unknown callers. Now, if you don't have this on, that means if someone calls you unknown or restricted or something like that, your phone is going to ring. And if you don't answer those calls already, you can actually silence them. So I've set mine to on. And as you can see right here, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed in the recent list. You'll also see right here that all incoming calls from contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions will still continue to ring as normal. So use this feature if you're really having a hard time with it. Otherwise, you can leave it off as is the default. So now that we've gone through the basics, you can also block people from FaceTime. So we'll open our FaceTime app. I have a couple of calls here, and just like with the contacts, we can tap the I. It'll open up what looks like a little contact page again, and we can tap block this caller. We tap block contact, and they'll also be added to our blocked list, just like we did with our phone application. Now within messages, it works the same as well. So if you want to open up your messages and you find that someone's been sending you scam or spam messages, or you just want to block someone, you can do it right from there. Open up the contact or message. At the top, you'll notice that we have a name or a phone number. You want to tap on it. You want to tap the little info option. Again, we see somewhat of a little contact sheet here. We'll tap info again. It opens up another contact page here, and we're just going to scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap block this caller. The same prompt appears. You can tap block contact, and it'll block them and add them to that blocked contact list, just like we did earlier. So that is how to block contacts on the iPhone or unblock contacts on the iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment box. I'm happy to help out. Also, don't forget, if you're looking to learn more, there's a link in the description to the full iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and 12 mini playlist so you can learn more about your iPhone and get the most out of it. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. There's a link to my Patreon campaign in the description as well, and it's greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.